Good day, and let's check on what the weather has in store for you this Tuesday. This afternoon, we are going to see a few patches of cloud popping up over parts of the northwest and the Free State. Otherwise, it should stay mostly fine across the rest of eastern South Africa. Over the western areas, however, especially in these parts highlighted here, high-level cloud is going to be streaming into the western parts of the Northern Cape, across the Western Cape, extending into the western areas of the Eastern Cape. Then towards the evening hours, this cold front edging towards our shores is going to introduce light rain into the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior. So it's going to be dry across the bulk of South Africa this Tuesday, except along the southwest coastline, where up to a 40% chance of light rain is forecast in the evening. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for high fire danger across the central Karoo of the Western Cape and the northwestern areas of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be pretty warm this afternoon across KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Durban and Pietermaritzburg peaking at 27 degrees. East London warms up to 32. Bishop should hit the 30-degree mark, 29 for the high in Port Elizabeth. Warm as well for Graaff-Reinet and George, both peaking at 28. But cooler as we go towards the mother city, where a mild 18 is forecast. Fairly warm temperatures are forecast for the rest of the interior. Joburg should manage a high of 19, 21 in Pretoria, as well as Polokwane. Here's a look at coastal conditions for your Tuesday. We are not expecting great beach conditions for any recreational activities over much of the west coast, especially from Namaqualand down into Langaban, where it's going to be cloudy, threatening to rain, especially late in the afternoon. Along the southwest coastline, strong winds together with light rain will keep beach conditions unfavorable here, and we're expecting fairly big swell heights averaging around 3.5 meters off the southwest coastline. Offshore winds are forecast for the south coast. This could be ideal for kite surfing if you're about these parts of the country. And the winds could gust up to 40 kilometers per hour around Port Elizabeth. Lastly, great beach conditions are forecast for the east coast. We are expecting the airflow to start in a northwesterly direction around the Wild Coast, settling to a northeasterly in the afternoon. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.